Have you ever wondered what Scrum methodology is and how to implement it in business planning and execution? Then take the next 4 minutes to bring yourself up to speed. Scrum is an agile framework that helps teams work together. It encourages open communication and collaboration, allowing teams to address and manage complexities and deliver value. But what does it mean to be agile? Agile is a mindset, a way of approaching problem solving that values flexibility, customer collaboration, and responding to change. So, Scrum, as an agile framework, is a structured way to embody these principles. Scrum is not limited to software development or project management. Its principles can be applied across various fields from marketing to manufacturing, making it a versatile tool for business planning and execution in any organization. So, Scrum is not just a methodology, it's a way to make work more meaningful and results more satisfying. At the heart of Scrum are its principles and values. 5 values underpin this dynamic framework: commitment, courage, focus, openness, and respect. Each member of a Scrum team commits to the project and its goals, showing courage in tackling challenges head-on. Focus is essential, as it allows the team to concentrate on the work at hand during each sprint. Openness encourages transparency and effective communication, while respect for each other's skills and contributions fosters a constructive and collaborative environment. These values guide the 3 key principles of Scrum: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Transparency ensures that every aspect of the project is visible to those responsible for the outcome. Inspection involves regular checks on the progress towards the goal. Adaptation, the final principle, refers to the ability to adjust a process or product when necessary, based on the results of the inspection. These principles and values are what makes Scrum not just efficient, but also human-centered. In Scrum, we use certain tools or artifacts to manage work. These artifacts are the product backlog, the sprint backlog, and the increment. Let's explore these one by one. The product backlog is a prioritized list of everything that might be needed in the product, and it's the single source of truth for the entire team. It's like the master to-do list that guides us toward our goal. Next comes the sprint backlog. This is a smaller, more focused list of tasks that the team commits to completing during a single sprint. It's the team's game plan for the next few weeks. Lastly, we have the increment. The increment is the sum of all the completed items in the product backlog during a sprint. It's the tangible output, the evidence of the team's hard work. These artifacts keep everyone on the same page and ensure that progress is always transparent. Let's now delve into the heart of Scrum, the Scrum Workflow, where the artifacts and roles interact to create value. The workflow begins with the product owner who maintains and prioritizes the product backlog, ensuring that the team is always working on the most valuable features. Then, during sprint planning, the team pulls items from the product backlog to form the sprint backlog. This is a collaborative effort, with the entire team deciding what can be accomplished in the upcoming sprint. Throughout the sprint, the development team works on the tasks in the sprint backlog, keeping each other updated during the daily Scrum. At the end of the sprint, the team has hopefully transformed the sprint backlog into a potentially shippable increment. The sprint review allows the team to inspect the increment and adapt the product backlog, and the sprint retrospective gives the team a chance to reflect and improve. This is the essence of Scrum, a continuous cycle of planning, doing, checking, and adapting. Before we move on, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And if you want to keep up with our content, hit that subscribe button. Scrum requires teamwork, hence it has its roles and events. So let's dive right in. First off, the roles. In the Scrum world, we have 3 main roles. The product owner, who's responsible for maximizing the value of the product and the work of the development team. Then we have the Scrum Master, the team's coach, helping everyone understand Scrum theory, practices, rules, and values. And finally, we have the development team. These are the folks who do the work, creating a potentially releasable increment of the product at the end of each sprint. Now, on to the events. There are 4 key Scrum events: sprint planning, where the team decides what to do in the upcoming sprint; daily Scrum, a short meeting for the team to sync up; sprint review, where the team inspects the increment and adapts the product backlog if necessary; and sprint retrospective, a meeting to reflect on the past sprint and plan for improvements. Understanding these roles and events is key to making Scrum work for your team. Now that we've learned about Scrum, let's see it in action. Imagine an innovative tech startup, let's call it Technovate. Technovate is developing a cutting-edge app. They've decided to use Scrum to manage their project. The Scrum values of openness, focus, courage, commitment, and respect form the bedrock of their approach. Their project is divided into sprints, each one a time-boxed event designed to deliver a usable product increment. The product owner maintains a product backlog, a prioritized list of features to be developed. The Scrum Master facilitates the process, removing obstacles and ensuring that the team adheres to Scrum principles. The development team self-organizes, collaboratively deciding what to work on during each sprint based on the backlog. At the end of each sprint, they review their work and adapt their plan for the next sprint. This cycle of plan, execute, review, and adapt, driven by the Scrum values and principles, propels Technovate towards their goal. And that is the power of Scrum. It's more than just a methodology, it's a mindset that can transform the way you work. Scrum is a powerful tool, but it's not a standalone solution. It's part of a broader ecosystem of Agile methodologies, and it's supported by a vibrant global community. This community is a rich source of knowledge, advice, and inspiration. You can engage with this community in many ways. You can join local meetups, participate in online forums, attend conferences, and even become a certified Scrum professional. By doing so, you can deepen your understanding of Scrum, stay abreast of the latest developments, and connect with like-minded professionals. Remember, Scrum is not just about doing things differently, it's about thinking differently. And that's a journey that is best shared with others. So why not take the next step and join the Scrum community? You never know where it might lead you. We hope you found this video insightful. If you did, please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.